Your $100,000 salary is not making you rich. It's slowly making you poor. Every month, money comes in, and then it disappears. Jake and Ryan, same income, same life. But 20 years later, one has zero, the other has millions. Why? Let's break it down simply. It's the first of the month. Your phone lights up. Salary credited. You smile. For a moment, everything feels okay. But 5 days later, where did all my money go? The problem isn't your income, it's your flow. You tell yourself, I deserve this. A meal, a gadget, an upgrade. It feels small, but the real problem is deeper. You're not buying things, you're buying feelings. Your brain is getting addicted to spending. You're not spending money, you're being trained to spend. Now let's do the real math. You spent $1,700, a phone, and some clothes. You think, it's not that much. But what if that $1,700 was invested at 10%? In 7 years, it becomes $3,400. In 14 years, $6,800. In 21 years, $13,600. In 30 years, over $30,000. So $1,700 becomes $30,000. Now think about it. What did you really buy? A phone? Or did you just sell your future? Money doesn't disappear. It moves from your future to your present. Now let's talk about a silent killer. You're saving money. Let's say $50,000. You feel safe. But inflation is working, slowly, silently. After 20 years, that $50,000 is worth only about $27,000. That means you didn't spend anything and still lost half your wealth. Your money isn't being stolen, it's slowly dying. So what does Ryan do? He doesn't guess. He invests in simple systems, index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts like 401k and Roth IRA. He keeps it simple. He invests every month, automatically. No timing, no guessing, no stress. Just consistency. Investing isn't hard. Consistency is. Your salary goes up, plus $20,000. You feel rich. But then, bigger house, better car, higher lifestyle. Extra cost, $19,200. Actual gain, just $800. Nothing changed. You didn't earn more, you just upgraded your expenses. You spend money to impress people. A watch, a lifestyle. But here's the truth. People don't admire you. They imagine themselves. You can't buy respect. You can only buy attention. Now the final reality. If you invest $1,000 every month at 10%, in 30 years, you have around $2.2 million. In 40 years, around $5.8 million. That's life-changing money. Jake? Zero. The difference isn't income, it's decisions. Same income, same city, same life. One is broke, one is free. One is a consumer, one is an owner. So who are you going to be? If you want to learn how money actually works and how to make it work for you, subscribe to Cashnix. Because here, we don't just talk about money, we break down how it really works. And trust me, this knowledge can change your life.